And if for the private respondent also. Right.
Where's the district council?
District council, I informed them, but they are not here.
You informed them?
Yes,
Okay, 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship. Most blessed Lordship.
May it please, Lordship. Lordship, I'm filing for mention for this of an urgent matter on Monday. This matter relates to VEC in Batabaris in RD Block, West Garo Hills.
VSC matters. Okay, Monday. No? Fresh matter?
Yes, Lordship. Highly obliged.
Yes.
Please, Your Lordship. My Lord, I beg to make a mention of the item number 20 of the hearing list.
Number?
20. As the conducting council is indisposed, Your Lordship. I'll inform the
council?
petition.
Who's the conducting
I'll
council?
claim, Your Lordship.
Correspondent number?
Number 5.
You inform other side?
I have informed Your Lordship.
Okay. No, you are appearing for?
District council.
No objection?
No objection.
Okay, 2 weeks.
Obliged, Lordship.
Please, Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention an unlisted matter, Lordship, to be listed today, Lordship.
What's the matter about?
It's a VEC matter only, Lordship. They were supposed to dissolve this matter, VEC on Monday, Lordship. So there's an urgency, Lordship.
Dissolve the matter, dissolve the
Dissolve
VC?
the VEC, yes, Lordship.
Where is the VC from?
VEC Ladulong, Lordship.
Why you come so late?
Your Lordship, they just received information yesterday only, Lordship.
The VC matters, where's the state? Why do you resolve it? Is terms over?
Not yet, Lordship. It will be over.
What is the reason for resolving it?
There was a complaint, Lordship, from the new headman, Lordship.
So they'll resolve it like that?
Without notice, without informing the petitioners, Lordship. So the development officer, Lordship.
It's already filed.
Yes, Lordship.
We have received the copy, my Lord.
Yes, give him a copy.
We have received, my Lord.
You receive, get instruction before the matter is moved here.
Obliged.
So, like, Lordship.
Lordship, I'd like to mention item number 29. So matter come up after 2 weeks, Your Lordship. Conducting council is out of session. Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship.
May it please, Your Lordship. Lordship, I beg to mention item number 23 on behalf of Ma'am T. Yangi. She is unavailable, my Lord, today. Kindly have this matter of
Where's the petitioner? You've informed them?
No, my Lord.
Inform them first.
Obliged.
Yes.
Item number 1.
Start.
Lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
For?
2 weeks' time, Your Lordship.
No. Why should he keep this matter pending?
Mr. Namri has some difficulty today, Your Lordship.
For 2 weeks?
2 weeks, Your Lordship.
We'll have it next week. We'll be ready. Otherwise, you argue it. This matter has just been adjourned, not relentlessly. Because, Mr. Path, there's nothing in the matter. You're ready with the matter today?
Your Lordship, let it come on the 26th.
Constitution Day.
Next week.
Just after 1 week on the prayer of Mr. Pasthi.
Item number 2.
Your Lordship, the appeal is still pending, Your Lordship.
Yes?
The appeal is still pending, Your Lordship, in this matter. The state have filed a appeal against Your Lordship's order.
It's still pending? Yes. Just after 3 weeks. I submitted that appeal against the orders stated was violated. Is still pending consideration before the division bench.
3.
2 and 3 are connected.
20.
4.
Yes, Mr. Nath.
My Lord, I am entering appearance on behalf of Respondent 1, my Lord.
Number?
Respondent 1. Yes.
One of one's whom?
It's an arbitration matter.
So
but
where's the petitioner? Who's the petitioner? Number 1 is Miki Pasa.
Miki Pasa.
Are you for number 2?
No, this is it.
The steps have been taken.
Steps have been taken. Let's see. Notice is rules 1 or 2 return unserved. You kindly check. You just are you.
Press the phone. Press the phone.
He's not found. Number 2, you obtain correct address. Mr. H.R. Nath entered appearance today on behalf of number 1. Stop. However, regard to Salam for number 2, the notice has been returned unserved as address C not found. Petitioner to obtain a correct address and take 5 steps on receipt of the same is. Yes, after 2 weeks.
Item number 5.
Lordship, and 5, Mr. Chanda is not available today, Lordship.
You are here. What's the problem?
Lordship, I have difficulty today. The brief is not with me, Lordship. Lordship, it can come after 2 weeks, Lordship.
What's the matter about? Why review?
Basically, we're praying for slight modification to the order, my lord.
What modification?
Because remonstration, what is coming here, my lord? Now,
You have instructions on that?
No, Lordship, that's the difficulty. I'm praying for
Brief
2
you
weeks'
have
time.
also with you.
Lordship,
The brief is not with you also.
not with me today.
Yes.
5 and 6.
Yes, on the previous pure due to the unavailability of the arguing counsel on behalf of the respondent.
Respondents.
Yes, list after 2 weeks. Yes.
Lordship.
7.
Where's Mr. Jha?
I didn't say, my lord.
Disability pension. What instructions do you have? What was it?
My lord, I have not received any instructions also. After 2 weeks, my lord. In the meantime, I'll try to file affidavit.
Mr. Leonard, senior counsel, submits that instructions that to be received. He prays, none appears with petitioner. So, first, Leonard, senior counsel, submits that those instructions have yet been received. Just after 2 weeks, yes, for affidavit or instructions.
Item number 8.
May please Lordship, on the last occasion, the government advocate made a submission that service of the deceased employee have not been confirmed and regularized. It is the fact in the I have in the annexure 4 and 5 annex, her service had been confirmed and regularized, and they're saying that because
My lords, we'll be filing the affidavit, my lords.
Lordship, kindly see the annexure 4.
For signatures.
Kindly see the annexure 4. They make a submission on 31/10/2025 that disease employee service has not been regularized. Then they said that they will file an affidavit.
We'll be
They are
filing
making a wrong submission before the court. It is there. I have enclosed the Lordship. Her service has been regularized. Annexure 4 is that, Lordship, where her service has been confirmed.
Confirmed but not regularized.
Then regularized, Your Lordship, page 5, the annexure 5.
Then
is there, Lordship.
My lords,
He was appointed to a compassionate ground.
where's Mr. K.B. Bhattacharya?
He's-
Since he had made this submission.
You have made a wrong submission.
Where is he?
my lords listed at the end of the board, my
He's
lords.
on holiday.
No, my lords. He's on his
And all the benefit we have received, only this gratuity is remaining.
Okay. 1 week's time granted to the for the 1 week's further allowed to the respondents to file affidavit. Stop. Mr. P.T. Samana's paragraph has vehemently submitted that the submissions made by the Learned Government Advocate on 31/10/2025 are incorrect.
Yes, Lordship.
Inasmuch as the petitioner, correct?
Yes, petitioner.
Has
petitioner deceased mother.
Employee had been regularized and also confirmed in service.
Yes.
Stop. Yes, accordingly also.
Lordship.
You want to record that? We record it, yes.
Yes, Lordship.
Yes.
Much less, Lordship.
9.
9.
Here, Your
Where's
Lordship,
Mr. Karunlang?
the state has to file their affidavits.
Yes. What's the matter about? What's the matter about?
Pension benefits, Your Lordship.
Pension?
Yes.
When he's surviving?
Yes.
When did he retire, sorry?
2029 or 2019.
2019. Since 19, why the pension has been paid?
Lordship,
We have no clue, but anyway.
affidavit.
Where's Mr. Karunlang?
He's indisposed, Lordship.
Though by order dated 30/10/2025, 3 weeks' time was allowed to the state respondents to file affidavits, file the affidavit, today also the affidavit is not yet on record. Stop. As the matter concerns payment of pension and term benefits to an employee retired since 2019, expected that on the next date the affidavit should be on board. This after 2 weeks.
Lordship, right.
10.
Lost.
Mr. Jha, where were you?
My lord, in courtroom number 4, my lord.
You don't have any juniors now. Why?
No idea, man.
You want to become lone ranger only? No advocate can work alone. Remember that. It's always teamwork. Yes.
It's for affidavit only. I'm praying for some more time.
Yes, for the 2 weeks time, affidavit allowed for affidavit thereafter and so on.
11.
Lordship, the respondents, they are yet to file the affidavit.
No, my lord, we are yet to get instruction.
What's the matter about? Is it a serious matter?
This is regularized and to pay. Yes.
They are non-teaching staff, oh my lord, of the staff who have been taken district council.
Covered by the cases.
Yes. You have enclosed all those shoulders.
Judgments
No,
covered.
my lord, if lordship will have the cabinet memorandum which have been enclosed, particularly with regard to non-teaching staff, my lord, which has been stated here, we are yet to consider it.
Where is that?
My lord, kindly come to page 37, my lord. My lord will have that cabinet memorandum, my lord.
You dated when?
My lord, this.
It is dated on.
But I believe this was sent via the letter which is in page 36, 1st December 2023. And if lordship will have the memorandum, my lord, the heading is the non-teaching staff from the other districts. So my lord, at the time when this cabinet memorandum it was decided, there was no record with regard to the services of these non-teaching staff. So subsequently, my lord, as on today, the department has already moved forward, my lord, verifying all those the staffs who have retired and who are still in service. So which are yet to be placed before the cabinet, my lord. So at this time, my lord, it was just a general, my lord, decision.
It's from Garo Hills.
My lord, yes, Garo Hills.
But it said that there's no non-teaching staff.
No, other similar situated person. This case is covered with the earlier order judgment. They are also not the teaching staff. I have enclosed all those judgment. Your lordship, the page from page 45.
What is your case? Let us see. When were you appointed? Let's see.
Yes.
Everything stems from your appointment. If you appointed after 1994, then you won't be covered. When was it taken over in Garo Hills? 94.
94, my lord.
Where's your appointment order?
The appointment order, I think it is on the
Yes.
page 21. This is type copy. It's appointed on 15th.
It says 96, my lord. Ampati, 15 April 96.
15 April 1996.
And my lord, here we are confining to 94, my lord.
See, Mr. Sangma, this is the first appointment order.
Yes, this is the first appointment order.
It's a transfer order.
This is the first.
See, your key person Sangma.
Yes.
Yes, my lord.
Okay, see. In it is public service, so is transfer office of Deputy Inspector of Schools, Tura, in the vacancy caused thereby, that is a petitioner, appear existing casual employees office peon is hereby appointed temporarily to act as office peon in the office of Deputy Inspector of Schools in the scale of so and so. So, how do you say that you appointed under this non-teaching staff of District Council Schools? You have not seen that, MS Colony?
Yes.
No, my lord,
You have even examined the annexures.
No, my lord, we were actually going through because my friend has filed another 3 writ petitions, my lord. So we are examining
Not this one,
each of
see.
them.
We have written in para 3 for last 29 years. How it wrote para 3 it served for 29 years?
From the date of appointment, my lord.
For 96, 29 years now.
From 90 is 96. From 1996, maybe.
Yeah, maybe 29 years.
Yes.
No. 96, 2 through 6, 16, 26. But where's your appointment order?
That appointment order, lordship. That is which lordship.
They will dismiss this case.
20, page 21.
That's the only order, no? Then where nothing to connect you with your claim to DCLP non-teaching staff.
Your lordship, this.
Then we dismiss it. Yes.
Your lordship, at least get prepare it on the last.
Prepare. How do you prepare it when there's no case?
No, the lordship, a similar seated person went by lordship and half past earlier.
No, that is regard to a person who is working.
They are also non-teaching staff, or lordship.
Where is the non-teaching staff in this case, Mr. Sangma? This 21 is the only appointment order. You're not even you're a temporary employee. Where is DCLP?
It's appointed by DLC lordship.
Where?
Deputy Inspector of School, Ampati Sub Division, West Garvils.
Yes.
No, after when the school was taken over by the government.
You appoint 96. You see, in the vacancy cause there's suit that petitioner, a peon existing casual employee as office peon is appointed temporarily to act office peon the office of deputy commissioner. So, you can ask for regularization, otherwise not under DCLP. You would draw and file afresh. It's a different case.
Lordship, I'll get an instruction letter.
If that's the only thing you have, it's not DCLP. I don't understand how state responsible don't even go through the facts of a case. And your facts, I mean, the pleadings are totally different from who you are. Yes, take down. When this matter was taken up, it appears, and on a query of this court as to the appointment order, to ascertain whether
lordship,
whether the
lordship, this that names lordship is from the annexure 9 lordship, or those the name there appearing the non-teaching staff
was ever a non-teaching staff of a DCLP school, which has since been taken over by the state government. Yes, annexure 9, what do you have to see?
Lordship, this Lordship, the page 43. Give a chance. I will.
Even given a chance, you can't improve your case.
Lordship, on the next date, because
you can't improve your case.
All those names which appear, your Lordship. Kindly see the page 39.
See, page 40 is absolutely wrong. It can be 82, can be 91, it can be 92. But for your case, 96, that it was already taken over. There can be no question of appointment by the district council. Who made this list?
This list
39. Page 39.
Page 39 is this. Yes.
You can't allow such frivolous petitions, to linger 1 minute or so. Who made this list? Page 39.
It's made by the government only.
I'm not aware, my lord. This is
because it is
continuing paper.
Along with the annexure 9. Then it's enclosed the annexure.
It does not say enclosed, my lord.
Huh? Mr. Government, please stop. It appears that the petitioner was appointed only in 1996, and that too temporarily. So, next, it is therefore not understood as to how a claim has been made to be considered as a non-teaching staff of DCLP school. More curious is the chart which is appended at annexure.
It's annexure 9. It continue running
Annexure,
page 39 till 44.
Which reflects that there is a glaring error with regard to the petitioner. So, separate affidavit be filed in this regard by the citizen within 2 weeks. What is going on? Yes, after 2 weeks.
Lordship.
12.
11. Let's see 12 also. Let's see.
14 is the same.
Where's the appointment order?
Page 2021, my lord.
Is appointed on 91. Primary school, JCTC, Ramnagar. The type copy is page 20 and 21.
Yes, file F here. The other matters same. They all on the prayer of Sunso for the 2 weeks allowed for affidavits. The other case is totally different.
Yes. Otherwise, my name also is in the chart. That's why.
Those are going to be examined, madam.
15.
May please, your lordship. The respondent will file an affidavit.
Already filed?
Yes, ma'am.
Where's the petitioner?
Ms. Shetri wanted to file a rejoinder.
Yes, MSC3.
Your lordship, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file my rejoinder. Yesterday I've received.
MSC3, the council petitioner. The response out 2 weeks' time to file rejoinder.
Privilege.
16.
Yes.
Item 16, my lord, is a writ petition filed by the petitioner challenging the judicial order of the trial court, my lord. Under Article 226.
Where's the notification where they meet civil judge? The notification is already there.
My lord, kindly see two things, my lord. If your lordship will kindly see your lordship's order of 22nd
Those are being for whom?
22nd October.
Just a minute.
Where's Mr. Shilla?
Okay. He's on sanction leave, Lordship.
Yes. Lordship's order is that this should be taken by way of writ petition under 226 for challenging the judicial order. I was just highlighting, my lord, that the writ petition is not maintainable, my lord. Three judges bench of the Honorable Supreme Court has settled this issue that writ petition is not maintainable, challenging the judicial order of the court, my lord. Citation is 2015 5 SCC 423, my lord. So 226 2015 5 SCC 423, my lord.
Just give the.
Yes.
That's why it's on 227.
Lordship, it will have to be 227, my lord.
No, that is why that I think it is recorded in order.
226/227.
227.
No, but your lordship has said that it is maintained. It will be treated.
Oh yes, no. That submission of the council, not that the court accepted that.
Yes, my lord. So yes, my lord. Mr. Srila Leonard.
Lordship, we're challenging. It's on sanction leave, Lordship. We're challenging the administrative order of endorsement.
What about their contention is that it is not a judicial order part judicial capacity.
Yes, Lordship.
It's an order part administrative capacity by the district
for endorsing the matter.
Number one. Number two. Now the thing is that where's the notification? I think civil judges division have been notified.
I'm not
notified.
My lord, I checked the law also on this aspect. If your lordship will see, the Basic Act was Bengal Agra Assam Civil Courts Act 1887. This act was adopted by State of Meghalaya in 1974. My lord. There is an adoption order also which I checked it, my lord. What I can do, my lord, I will place it all these notifications.
No. The thing is that fine. When Mr. Shilla will be available,
Lordship.
But this matter deserves expeditious consideration.
There's a question is whether that act was extended to the tribal areas.
No.
Civil Courts Act.
It's regarding not Shillong Civil Courts Act. It's regarding the nomenclature.
Yes, my lord.
Because now all over India, the nomenclature that they have civil judge, senior, so on and so forth, right? Senior division, then junior division, civil judge. So now what is sought to be done is that instead of having this nomenclatures of assistant to deputy commissioners and additional commissioners, so on and so forth, so you try to rationalize and streamline the entire hierarchy of what we'll understand. So instead of saying Munsif, EDJ, or so that you have their own, it'll be streamlined. That is why. That's the only thing that they are objecting to, that the notification to this effect has not been notified, and so endorsing a matter to civil judge, though he might wear the same hat in a different dispensation. So another hat rather. So that's the only thing.
Yes,
and only other aspect is that whether this under 226 maintainable or not. But but since where Mr. Shilla, that's the only thing. After 1 week.
Yes, such.
Yes, for affidavit or for further orders.
17.
Yes.
17.
Please, my lord. My lord, I have taken step against Mr. Storenwar, and I have issued notice also to the respondent number 5. Whereas I came to know that yesterday that the respondent number 5 has been removed from the chief, from the post of the chief.
Who's been removed?
The respondent number 5, my lord.
What's his name?
Kentiu Borlang.
He's been removed.
It's been removed. I have came to learn by yesterday only. So, my lord, let this matter be remanded to this council, my lord, and with a direction to call for the proper parties and.
To say that. Where's your counsel?
He's not here, Your Lordship.
We can see that.
Oh, I'm praying for 2 weeks' time to file an affidavit, Your Lordship.
Now, Quintur Blancs, you have to remove. He's been removed.
He's been removed, my lord.
He's acting CM only. He
Yes,
be removed like this.
Yes. Now I've already issued.
Place?
One person. I just know the surname Rani or something. I have no knowledge, so I have to. So, my lord, let the matter be remanded to this council.
No. How will you remand this? The council is not here.
The notice has been issued, my lord, to Sri Kentiu Borlang, but now he's been removed. Is useless.
We'll listen next week. You tell your.
I may be allowed also to serve the notice upon the Storen War. I've already implemented him.
Yes, already implemented quite since 30th.
Yes.
You didn't take steps.
I already take steps, my lord, but
you want to serve personally?
I'll try, my lord.
Has it been served?
No, I already give the materials on before the judicial branch. Whereas
the notice must be issued.
My lord, let be the notice be issued.
He's respondent number.
He's implemented as respondent number 6, my lord.
Yes.
So I may be allowed to serve on trustee service, my lord.
Mr. Karshi submits that the respondent number 5, one Shri, what's his name? Kintiu Borlang's Imle, acting chief Himanongspung, who was arrayed as respondent number 5 in the petition has been replaced by another person. By another incumbent. He prays that he be allowed to. When you get the name, he prays to be allowed to obtain the name for substituting respondent number 5. Further prays that he be allowed to effect personal service on respondent number 6. Newly implemented respondent number 6. Prayers allowed this after 1 week.
2 weeks, my lord.
2 weeks, okay.
I may be allowed to serve by trustee service, my lord.
Personal service?
Yeah. Highly obliged, my lord.
18.
May please, your lordship. Lordship, I have taken step. Along with this petition, I have filed miss case for the stay of the order 26/3/2025. Lordship, in this case, I have removed without any prior information.
You are?
I have removed from the VC.
No, what is your post?
I'm the president of the VC.
Ms. Hassan entering appearance?
Yes, my lord.
On behalf of number
8, 9 and 10, my lord.
Very good. So ready for the hearing interim matter?
My lord, no, my lord, I have not received the papers, my lord, because what I have instructed, my lord, I have not yet received the repetition.
What are the instructions?
My lord, copy of repetition also not received.
You give a copy, we'll hear it next week.
Yes, Lordship, I was removed from my post without any prior notice.
No, you serve, you give copy.
Yes, I'll give the copy
Ms.
to you.
S.K. Hassan has entered appearance today on behalf
Lordship,
of the number 8 and 10 as such service complete on the respondent. He submits that though he's been instructed to appear, he is not possession of the copy of the petition. MSM is allowed to serve a copy in the course of the day. Matter is set on Tuesday for
Lordship, I pray for the stay of the order
for interim orders will come next on Tuesday.
Get back to me. Hello.
19.
Also, MS only you obtain instructions.
Hello.
Hello.
May it please your lordship. Lordship, on the last day, this honourable court was pleased to give certain directions to the state lordship. The same is under process, my lord.
How many cases are pending?
My lord, because we are collecting from all districts in the state, my lord. But prior to that, lordship, we had raised our objection, my lord, and we'd like to file a written objection, my lord.
No, how many cases are there as per instructions? That's what
Lordship,
I want to know. About?
Because they are all over the state.
That's what, how many cases are there?
So we are not aware right now because we are still collecting the information, lordship.
You don't have that that data on.
My lord, because why there are cases
National
pending
Crime
right
Bureau?
from trial court, high court, and also Supreme Court, my lord. So we are collecting all of them.
No, we're talking about the FIRs have been filed in the state against him.
Lordship, we have so far we have 1, 2, 3, 4 districts, my lord, and that is to our knowledge right now, and also the pending cases in
No,
Supreme
how many
Court.
cases? It's not acceptable that
Lordship,
you
in
call,
West Garo Hills, we
whoever
have-
was in charge. You call him from PHQ next date.
No, lordship, we'll get it by the next date, my lord. But right,
This is 14.
and my lord,
You just want to know how many FIRs have been filed.
Lordship, if you could kindly just bear me for just 2 minutes, my lord. On the 14th, when the motion was moved for this particular petition, one of the applicants was supposed to appear before the concerned IO, which they failed to do so. They have been repeating. They've been repeating this, my lord.
You have to appear.
No,
but the apprehension is that when they appear, other additional charges are slapped on them.
Right.
But they have not complied with the directions right from the Supreme Court to the High Court to the trial court, lordship.
Let them
that's why you want to know how many cases are there. Then we'll know the gravity of what kind of person he is.
We are
if we're not
collecting that,
assisting the
lordship.
court, that's what we want to do. We can have to get a clear picture. We can't just pass orders. It's not that the court is going to bang the police. No, it's a question we want to know. We can't pass orders in the air.
Lordship, kindly grant us a few days' time. But my lord, we've also filed our objection, my lord.
You file your objection, you're entitled to everything, but let's give the court a clear picture. We know whether he's having a frivolous petition or whether he's cooperating or whether he's
not cooperating at all, lordship.
It's all in the air. Even the number of cases also, we cannot accept that. No. Every case that's even filed in every court.
My lord, because we are collecting from all the districts, lordship.
Every case that's filed, even a small petitions that filed in every district court, the data and the evenings all collated.
That is pertaining to cases, my lord. But with regard to FIRs, we are yet to receive all of them. So kindly grant us just 3 days' time, lordship.
Yes, 1 week's time granted. So we'll know whether he's let it be on Monday, my lord. Take shelter of the court.
Monday is not possible, lordship. Today is already Friday.
1 week.
My lord, much obliged, lordship.
Hearing, Item 21.
Today, MSNG Legislation got a place for additional time to apprise the court with regard to the number of FIRs have been filed and the status of the cases. It is also submitted that the petition is not cooperating with the investigating agencies.
Which we deny, my lord.
It's submitted. Just after 1 week.
Much obliged, lordship.
Hearing 21.
Who are you?
For the respondent number 6.
This is that running of the check gate beyond the tender period on the basis of an extension, lordship.
Who are you?
I am one of the prospective bidders, interested bidders. It was
here, Dr. Mosika.
Or even the extended tender is coming to end in June.
Next year,
only
June
six,
next year.
Only 6 months left only.
He's not even original bidder.
And this is, lordship, we have also
there's a power to extend, my lord, in the agreement, and considering the aspect, my lord, because the road was under construction during that period, my lord, we extended.
No, why you are interested to?
Lordship, a tender was,
bridge.
No, for running the check, this lordship, the check gate, lordship, for trading of trading license. It was tender was issued for 3 years. There was no stipulation in the tender that it can be extended. Agreement was signed for 3 years.
No, where is this extension clause?
Lordship, that is only in the agreement. Page 64 directly, lordship.
Tender clause is not there.
Lordship, no. In the tender was, and this is a convention also, lordship. And we have appended other agreements also signed in similar check gates. This is a
Where's the clause in this agreement?
In bold, lordship, page 64.
So if you go by the law contract or by Transfer of Property Act or by any other where recitals are made, that means the relationship between the parties governed by the recitals of the agreement.
Lordship, what we are saying is when the tender itself did not stipulate any extension.
Where's the tender?
In similar...
The Nature 3.
Lordship is. And we have prayed that let them produce that entire bid the detailed bid document, Lordship. That is
2021.
Lordship, 21. It was given for 3 years and then extended for another 2 years, Lordship.
Now?
It is going on till 26. An extension also, Lordship, if there was some unforeseen reason like road construction or COVID and all.
So where's the extension from 21 to 25?
Lordship, yes. That is the impugn order at page 68, Lordship. 68, it starts from 68.
You came for the first time to court in 24.
Lordship, yes, because this was issued in 5th December 23, the extension.
So?
And
23.
thereafter, immediately in the...
Where's that page?
Lordship, page 68. we were anticipating that the tender would get over and the fresh tender will be issued. We were desirous of participating in this, Lordship. Page 28, it's 68, sorry.
They came to court after 10 months, my lord.
That's what this court's going to see.
We had to obtain all this from RTI, Lordship. I have appended the RTI also. And the relevant part, Lordship, will see.
Where is the reason given for extension?
Lordship, reasons they have given, reasons in essence, Lordship, one reason they have given is COVID.
Yes, that's a valid reason.
Second reason they say, Lordship, that there was some, because of the COVID, there was vehicular movement restrictions.
Who's running the gate now?
They are the respondent who is.
You have 4106.
Lordship, yes. And even.
What was the J. Shilas on sanction leave? Yes, after 1 week. As the counsel for 106 on sanction leave.
Published.
22.
Please, Your Lordship.
Yes. Is this, sir?
Appointment of arbitrator.
This is regarding appointment of arbitrator?
Yes.
Lordship.
Yes,
Lordship,
MS
due to some
Kapoor.
personal difficulties, Your Lordship, Mr. Paul is not available today, Your Lordship. I'm
Where is
praying.
he? Yesterday he was
Lordship.
online and submitting very nicely.
Lordship,
Where is he today?
is traveling today, Your Lordship. Lordship, I'm praying if this matter may be listed on Monday, Your Lordship.
What is the issue here?
My lord, in my affidavit, Your Lordship kindly sees, the work was completed on 30th July 2010, my lord. Limitation period expired in 13. They invoked in 2020.
After 1 week, yes.
It's a prima facie time bargaining, my lord.
Obliged, Lordship.
On the request of MSS Khatun, due to the unavailability of the senior counsel, list after 1 week.
Obliged, Lordship.
23.
We have prayed for adjournment for this matter in the morning. Since senior colleague was not here, so Lordship has asked us to be.
I have no objection. I don't hearing. Okay. After 1 week. But can it be after 1 week? The request is considered. One is this matter of 1 week.
24.
Lordship, this matter will be conducted by S. Bhattacharya. She has recently just discharged from hospital. If this
How is
matter-
she now?
She's improving, Your Lordship.
She can talk.
Yes, she talked to me our phone yesterday. Yes, Your Lordship.
Which hospital?
She was discharged from Negrim, Your Lordship.
She's discharged?
Yes, Your Lordship.
Yes, after 2 weeks.
Hello, Your Lordship.
As the conducting counsel, we have to respond in this course. Yes.
25.
Yeah, lump sum compensation.
Lordship.
Absolutely. No one wants to do it. I want to sit. No one wants to do hearing this. Yes, Dr. Mudika?
Well, I've received instruction, my lord. So kindly see page 3, my lord, of this instructions.
Yeah.
Para 4 and 5, I'll just point out. However, in the instant case, the petitioner was placed in low medical category P3, T24. T is temporary, my lord, T24, for 24 weeks. With effect from 9th April 2014 for the disability primary hypertension and upgraded to low medical category P224 with effect from 23rd March and proceeded on retiring pension on 1st June 25. Therefore, his disability percentage was not assessed by the medical board. In view of the
What to do, Mr. Vaidya?
petitioner is not entitled for lump sum compensation in lieu of disability pension as he was placed in temporary low medical category for the disease primary hypertension. Now, my lord, rules, my lord, kindly see page 4.
I'm just let me review the above. So in his case is that lump sum compensation only when the percentage disability warrants that you go before the medical board again.
No, my lord, whenever it is a permanent disability, my lord, then they are entitled to lump sum compensation. This is a case of temporary disability, my lord, and they've been given regular pension, my lord.
No, regular pension is getting, but the thing is that is there any question of the petition being put again before the medical board to assess the disability? No.
My lord, temporary disability is one thing, my lord, which is can be treated or which can be cured, my lord. So he was under that category, my lord. The hypertension is maybe with the medicine and other things he can improve, my lord. It is not any kind of. My lord, page 4. 9.2 to the bottom, my lord.
Yeah.
Sub-rule 2 of 9.
Yes. If the
government servant is boarded out of government service on account of his disablement. But here is not a case of disablement, my lord. Here is a case of physical unfitness for attention service.
If the government servant is boarded out of government service on account of his disablement, the quantum of disability pension for 10% disability shall be specified as specified so and so. Law. Yes.
His Lordship, I'm not for disability. I'm only for lump sum compensation.
You're not entitled to it.
Lordship,
you always
those who
temporary
are
category only for a short while, and so this is a question of you being put before the medical board again.
Yes.
Right.
Those who are
you're not permanent. You're not permanent. You're not permanent lower medical category case.
Lordship, they also suffered discharge from service on medical ground. Petitioner herein also had been
you boarded out and served, but see, petitioner you placed in low medical category with effect for 24 weeks with effect from 9 to 13, so and so, and then 54 weeks, and you proceeded on retiring pension on 15 only.
Yes,
that is just over a year. So how can the disability percentage be assessed? You have anything to show that even if you're boarded out while you were in low medical category, then you put temporary low medical category, right? For you, it's not permanent. So the difference is permanent, temporary. If you're boarded out on permanent, if you're permanently placed in the low medical category, then you're entitled to lump sum compensation. Is that correct, Dr. Mosca?
Yes, at that point.
And if you're placed on temporary, and then at that point of time you were boarded out of service and you took your pension, then how will the court intervene to say that now they maybe do a reassessment for the medical board because you retired 2015? That's
2015
over 11 years ago.
But now they are assessing it. Lordship may say, Lordship may say page 165, and 165 is the reply of the notice, Lordship.
You retired 11 years ago. Replied notice?
Page 165, Annexure 13.
Page 65.
165.
One second. (165). Yes.
Para number 4, Lordship. It is brought to your notice that you were not boarded out from service on medical ground, and hence you are not eligible for disability pension. I am not for disability pension. However, you were retained in service despite of your disability, primary hypertension, which was decided to be attributable to service, and hence you may be eligible for lump sum compensation.
For which the percentage of disability is required for calculation. You read other.
The entitlement for lump sum compensation will be decided once the medical authorities assess the percentage of your
now what has happened
disability.
in your case?
Now,
you had hypertension.
Without
you had hypertension.
Lordship.
Temporary. You were placed a temporary low medical category. Then meanwhile you retired. Then
Lordship.
Next page, Lordship, kindly see 166, my lord.
166.
That has been examined.
Type copy is 167. Now, their contention is that
yes, so
at
now that means
time,
you're not entitled. You take instructions. You explain to your client that sorry, you won't be getting lump sum compensation. So what do you propose?
now once it is attributable to service condition, Lordship, then he is entitled.
See, you can't go over the rules. It has to be permanent. If you boarded out at the time of when you boarded from service at the time you're suffering from permanent low medical category, yes. Then the medical board assess the percentage of disability and will recommend so lump sum compensation.
Now,
but if you're boarded out at the time when you're not in permanent low medical category, you're temporary.
He even challenged that before this honorable court.
Challenge it.
That was rejected.
Huh?
He challenged also.
He challenged that.
My lord.
Then
Rule 24, 26.
Then I'm afraid we have to.
Now, after so many years, Lordship, this 2024 only that it is 24 only December, November, December, it is reassessed, and that particular time also, Lordship, discrimination is made between the now 60 years. Lordship.
And you can't assess now. How is it possible? You withdraw or will pass orders?
In this case, the matter may come up after a week, Lordship. I will place some authorities on if it is disability is attributable to service, they are entitled for compensation.
Then you go in a different tangent altogether. You ask for lump
I
sum
have come before
compensation. The thing is that you are requesting for disability pension, right?
No.
You're already getting your
lump sum
pension.
compensation.
Lump sum is disability.
Disability pension and lump sum are two different things.
Lordship.
It's only in cases where the percentage disability is such that you question non-grant of disability pension, right? In this case, you ask lump sum compensation on the ground that when you were boarded out from service, you suffered from the disability which
is attributable to service.
Yes. Also take down. Sorry, we have to record this. Dr. Mozika today, then the DSEI has produced instructions contained in a communication dated 20th November 2025. Stop. Approval of the same indicates that in the instant case, the petitioner was placed in low medical category with effect from 9 April 2014 for primary hypertension and upgraded to low medical category with effect from March 2015. However, as he retired, it is stated there that he retired on 1st of June 2015. His disability percentage was not assessed by the medical board. This after 1 week is. That's the only thing. It's temporary, but it's never assessed. Now, how can you assess whether it's permanent? The only ground is that at the time of retirement, you're suffering from that permanent LMC. Correct?
Lordship. It was.
What do you want to say?
It was temporary, Lordship. Now, after so many years, temporary, they are assessing.
And then you're placed temporarily in that low medical category, and when you retire, also you're still the temporary low medical category.
Temporary.
And so they couldn't assess whether it was permanent or not. You retired in the meanwhile. That's your case.
My point.
Correct, Dr. Mozika?
Yes.
Maybe it was permanent. But your bad luck.
Lordship, is that the permanent? Those who are in permanent, they are also discharged from service. Myself also discharged from service. So now they cannot make a distinction between permanent and temporary.
Getting full pension, full retirement benefit.
Lordship, I am also entitled for payment.
Benefit, full pension.
I have received full payment.
So suppose he's full pension. What is lump sum compensation?
In one case, Lordship, the one my client only, Lordship, but now not communicating, not responding.
Lump sum compensation.
Yes, Lordship, he got it.
It happens like that. Yeah.
So he got around 2,60,000 something. He was permanent at that point of time also, and after assessment, after 10 or 15 years, he was assessed again, and then he was paid.
Okay, you bring it to authority.
My point is only that at this point of time, don't make any discrimination, not to make any discrimination.
If you are found permanent at that point of time,
and moreover, when the hypertension is means attributable to service condition, only that.
Don't take high BP medicine for 2-3 days. Everyone will be low medical condition, even myself included.
Yes.
26?
All right.
26?
26, 27, also same.
Yes.
30?
Okay.
Your Lordship, entering appearance on behalf of respondent number 6 to 13.
MS Sutranga still hell-bent on pursuing this case.
Your Lordship, there's no instructions. Right, still, the petitioners still want to pursue the matters.
Because, my lord, this is what the emergency measure which was taken in respect of one road, my lord. Now, and that was also we have explained in our counter affidavit all reasons, my lord. So nothing remains survived. So far as the other road, other thing is concerned, that has no.
No, you are appealing for whom?
For the contractors, Your Lordship. Yeah.
In the other matter, my lord, if your lordship will see, because I
No, this is, are there two matters?
No, Your Lordship, there's just one matter only. These are the newly pleaded respondents, they're the contractors.
Kindly see the memo parties, my lord, at page.
They were pleaded.
Page 3, my lord. Page 3, my lord.
Provide order.
Newly impleaded.
Newly impleaded.
Newly impleaded.
The only difficulty is, my lord, that the initial if complaint was or the prayer was in respect of one stretch of road only, my lord. If your lordship will see, kindly see, this was in respect of one stretch of road, and in our counter affidavit, I have explained that this stretch of road was repaired on account of.
Okay, first you are appealing for who?
For the contractors.
All of them?
Yes, Your Lordship.
That means number 6 to 13.
6 to 13, Your Lordship.
Okay, you want time? Or not required?
I'll file affidavit. Just fix a short date, Your Lordship.
Let him file affidavit.
1 week's time will do, Your Lordship.
Yes, Mr. Krem has entered appearance in behalf of the newly impleaded respondent 6 to 13. As such notice complete, please funds allowed 1 week's time to file affidavit. Just after 1 week, yes.
Yeah.
Let them file affidavit and we will. Call, she's there.
Highly obliged.
Right.
You got instructions, Brinja?
My apologies, my lord. We are here to receive, my lord, because he's having some programs in the Watts Lake, my lord, the concerned officer.
Who's the what's having fun? Watts Lake?
My lord, that BDO, my lord.
The
concerned BDO.
Right.
He's aware of the.
The file hasn't reached.
Yes, Lordship.
Why?
We filed in the morning only, Lordship. They're saying almost done only, Lordship.
Show me the petition you have. Where's your prayer? What is your agreement? Can you sign into 11 November? Where's the letter 11 November? Page?
66, my lord. The imperial letter.
This is addressed to you, Kharkarang.
Yes, Lordship.
You're the headman.
Yes, Lordship.
This
This is the new headman, Lordship.
She's a sketch.
Then from Washnong is in here. But Ulong.
He is the new Lordship, new headman,
Where's the
Lordship.
constitution of the last VEC? Page?
Annexure 1, Lordship. Page 14.
What's the term of this VEC?
3 years, Lordship. It will be ended on 10th of August 2026, Lordship.
It's ended now.
26, Lordship.
Or 26. Achha, where's the complaint?
Complaint, Lordship. An extra 4, page 28, Lordship.
Yeah. You get back.
And my lord, if I may submit, my lord, actually, my lord, I received a verbal instructions, my lord, that petitioner here, my lord, is creating ruckus. My lord, job card holders are very angry with the administration of the.
So you're creating the ruckus.
No, Lordship.
Why creating ruckus?
They are planning to do some agitation, my lord.
No, Lordship.
Because actually, initially, my lord, in months back, my lord, they had raised a complaint against petitioner, my lord.
Where's the complaint?
An extra 4, Lordship.
Page?
Page 28. Translated copy in page 32, Lordship.
The translated copy is at page 32, my lord.
Where is it about Kharkarang? Not said anything. Where's the impugn letter again? Actually 11.
An extra 14, Lordship.
Page 66.
66.
The translated copy is at page 67.
24th? That's Monday.
Monday, Lordship.
Yes. Where's the government order that this is, complaints have been addressed?
Lordship, it's I wrote a complaint against the.
No, where that there's some that the BDO has examined the complaints and said that that.
It's in Annex 12, Lordship, page 62. Type copy is in page 63, Lordship.
What happens meeting at 5th September 2025 when
We do not have that. We do not have the letter, Lordship.
You didn't come that time before the court.
No, Lordship, since no information was given to me, Lordship.
The Annex 12, you say?
Annex 12, page 62, Lordship.
Type copy.
Type copy, page 63. It's written by the Block Development Officer to the Deputy Commissioner.
Were you heard when this matter was taken up by the BDO?
No, Lordship. Lordship, I wrote a complaint to the Deputy Commissioner against the BDO, Lordship.
Who wrote this one? That the false price is found to be false and baseless?
BDO only, Lordship.
Against you? That a complaint is false and baseless?
Yes, Lordship.
What is this, Mr. Rinja?
No, the BDO against me. I filed a complaint, Lordship, and then the additional district program coordinator also they give me a reply, Lordship. It's an extra 13, page 65.
You get a proper instruction. We take the matter up at 2 o'clock. 2 o'clock, no? You get proper instructions.
Lordship.
Now to tell one thing,
Yes,
this BDO, respondent number 3, correct?
Yes, Your Honor.
He
Lordship.
doesn't matter. Yes, Mr. Shulai.
Lordship.
It's illicit matter.
Lordship, it appears, I'm sorry, Your Lordship. Lordship, we have the instruction. If Lordship kindly have the instruction.
See, they should see from what we can see on what he has submitted. There might be a law and order situation.
No, that is not correct, Your Lordship. That is not correct. The picture which had been reflected in the writ petition is not correct. Lordship, in fact, Your Lordship, the majority of the job card holder, they have expressed their no confidence in the working of the chairman and the general and the secretary. So on 9/9/2025, there was a meeting for the election. And the writ petitioner also, he was very much present in that meeting. Lordship kindly have a parade of that instruction. If Lordship, may I read it, Your Lordship?
Now this now she submitted that elections are due to be held on Monday.
Lordship,
but then if you say that elections only been held on 9/9.
Lordship, yeah, it appears, Lordship, that in presence of the chairman, Sri Johnson Kharngi, election went smoothly without any interruption, and the new office bearer was elected as per proposed by the job card holder at close resolution 9/9/2005. It appears that
after that, and 9/9/2005, 2025 was gone.
Gone, Your Lordship, yes.
Yes,
Your Lordship.
Lordship. They have conducted a fresh election.
Yes, Your
Then
Lordship.
later, Lordship, on
Very confusing.
17.
Then you've come against this
No,
holding
Lordship,
election.
I received another another letter, Lordship. This annexure 14, which they were saying that they will conduct
See
page,
that,
page
Mr.
66,
Shulai?
Lordship.
Where annexure 14?
Annexure 14, page 66.
Page?
66. Type copy is at annexure page 67.
Kasih kum subject doh neng. So juga kebentan obat kami. Nampan yo ban punten kami nasional kum talak terpai ban persumah ban pentip sebar jauh nada. Bakin pai ban pelong ke BC election. Then what is this, Mr. Shulai?
Lordship, yes, it appears, Your Lordship, this is the instruction we received.
No, but this letter is 11 November.
After the election.
And this is 29 September, the instructions you gave. So what happened to the other election, 9/9?
So after this election on 9/9/2025, on 17/9/25, I wrote a complaint, Lordship, against the BDO to the Deputy Commissioner. And based on my letter, Lordship, the BDO, the Deputy Commissioner, by Annexure 13, page 65, Lordship, it is written here that the necessary, I am to enclose here with the letters also received from the BDO. Page 65.
Yes.
Yes, Lordship. It is mentioned here that in this regard, necessary action as per the report will be initiated after receiving due approval from SRES. Lordship, after this only, Lordship, I received this another letter, this annexure 14, Lordship, that they will be conducting BSc election.
Mr. Shulai, this is very strange.
Lordship, yes. But
that we have to admit also, how come?
And moreover, Lordship, without dissolving the existing
Lordship, let it come on Tuesday, Lordship. I'll have a proper instruction in the matter.
Monday.
Huh?
Yes, no elections till then.
Lordship, I'll instruct the BDO not to.
Yes, because there might be a situation.
Lordship, yes.
Because how can you have two elections for the same VC?
Yes, Your Lordship. Let come on Tuesday, Your Lordship. Then I'll.
Heard MS. You were pitch 3. Who's leading the council? You are leading council. Who's senior?
Yeah, Your Honor. Your Lordship, she is the senior counsel.
MS council with pitch 3 for the petitioner. Stop. Issue notice. Mr. Andy Shulai EAG is with so and so present behalf of respondent 1, 2, and 3. No further notice on this respondent. Notice to
1,
issue
2, 3, Your Lordship.
1, 2, 3. Respondent number 4 within 3 days. The grievance of the petitioner. You are ex-headman.
Yes, Lordship, ex-headman.
Who's ex-headman of village Lait Lulong.
Lait Lulong,
Your Lordship.
Lait Lulong. It's where Soyong. Seen at the block.
Yes, Lordship.
Right?
Yes, Lordship.
Is with the notice dated, letter stroke notice dated 17 November 2025, calling for elections to be held to the VEC of the village on 24th November 2025. Stop. The council submits that the impugned notice for reconstituting the VAC of the village is without any basis, inasmuch as the earlier committee is still subsisting and its term is till
10/8/2026, Lordship.
till
10/8/2026.
2026. She submits that though there has been some disputes in the village and complaints had been filed, the calling for fresh election without dissolving the present VEC, without service of notice to the petitioner and other members, is illegal and irregular and not as per the scheme envisaged under the MNGRES. She therefore prays that in the interim, the proposed election of the VEC scheduled to be held on 24/11/2025 be kept in abeyance. Mr. N.D. Shulai, Learned AAG, submitted that with regard to the matters in the village, the VEC, which had been constituted earlier, in the village, a fresh election had since been held on 9/9/2025, inasmuch as there were complaints against the functioning of the subsisting VEC. However, he submits, though these said elections have been held, he has no instructions with regard to the outcome of what transpired thereafter. Particularly in view of the fresh notice calling for, in view of the new notice calling for elections on 24/11/2024. This court has heard the submissions of the counsels for the parties and also seen the materials as placed. As submitted, it is correct that the earlier VEC, of which the petitioner was the president,
Chairman and Secretary, Lordship.
of which the petitioner was the chairman and secretary, had been constituted on
10/8/2023.
10/8/2023, and as such, by normal passage, term would have ended on
10/8/2026.
or 9/8/2026. It is further seen from the materials as placed, materials that certain complaints have been made against the functioning of the petitioner's VAC, and in that regard, on 9/9/2025, the VEC for the village Lait Lulong, that on 5/9/2025, the VC of the village like Oolong was reconstituted, and the same was sent for approval to the project director. Thereafter, it seems on a counter complaint by the petitioner and other job card holders, the matter did not proceed forward until the notice dated. This is notice 17 November 25 was issued for holding of fresh elections. So, at this stage, it will not be possible for the court to examine the competing rights and claims of the parties as to who should constitute the VAC. So, no. At this stage, will not be possible for the court to examine the competing claims of the parties to determine as at this stage. No, sorry, it will be possible to examine the commitment and to determine the same. As such, in the interest of justice, is directed that the learned Additional Advocate General obtain necessary instruction with regard to the ground situation before the next date. Until then, the notice dated 17 November 2025 shall be kept in abeyance.
Lordship.
Yes. Just on.
Will come on.
Up to you.
Will come up. Yes. Let come on Tuesday, Your Lordship.
Yes, just on 25th, 11. That shouldn't be the breaking of heads. If elections are held again, then how can two elections be held for the same VC?
I also.
Mysterious how it works. There's a complaint of the BDO also, I saw.
Yes, I have seen that.
So you become an interested party. Yes.
Obliged.